I ask you, Speaker Sir, Mr. Chairman, 3rd of May 2023, I need not remind this House or this nation what happened in my state of Manipur. What has been happening for the last 19 months? The last time I got to speak in this August House, I very clearly said, as a citizen of this nation and as a family that has contributed in building this nation, it is my right to ask for justice. Why is it till today that my Prime Minister, someone who this nation believes, someone who I also wish to believe, why is it that till date he is not answerable to the people of Manipur? Why? Is it too much? Is it too much for me to ask on behalf of those civilians that have elected me here today? Sir, Mr. Chairman, sir, those children, those women across communities, they have lost their lives. They cannot be victimized for a cause for which this nation or the state cannot handle. Is my nation so weak that you cannot protect the lives and property of the civilians there in Manipur, sir? I beseech the conscience of this House.
Thank you.
We have so many eloquent speakers, sir. I'm closing. Sir, I'm closing.
Please, please.
Sir, in the end, I wish to beseech upon the conscience of this House, especially all the honorable members of the ruling bench. This is not a war against either party, be the treasury or the opposition. This is a war against humanity in this country. Please, wake up, speak to your people. All you have to do is see how difficult is it for our nation, which is growing and going to become the 3rd largest economy. You talk only of economy, but when you have finished of people, what will that economy do when there are no people to use it? I ask the conscience of this House and the leadership of this nation, please today stand up, be with your brothers and sisters in Manipur, bring about justice and be accountable for all actions. Thank you, Speaker.